This 2014 Tiffin Allegro 36LA is a Class A RV. It is located in Montgomery, Alabama, 36116 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist Alabama. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2014 Tiffin Allegro 36LA is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.